My name is Brother Solomon and I'm at the Prince Builders Estate Phase 3 in Obanyaton community off Airport Road through Iriri, Benin City. In this estate, you get to enjoy serene and peaceful environment featuring perimeter fencing, good access roads, recreation centers, shopping malls, police station, electric poles, and lots more. No community development levy, no community harassment, no CDA, just buy and build. A plot of land in this estate costs 800,000 naira, and when you buy 10 plots, you get one for free. The payment plan is very easy. That is, you can pay instrumentally. The Prince Builders Estate Phase 3 is just 15 minutes drive to the Benin Airport. You can call us on 080-77-977-777 or 081-5171-1111. The Prince Builders Estate Phase 1 is sold out. The Phase 2, where 100 by 100 was sold for 500,000 naira, is almost sold out. And this is the Phase 3, where 100 by 100 is 800,000 naira. Don't forget that when you buy 10 plots, you get one for free. Make a rush, go buy my own. Before I just say the land, it don't cost. Land don't finish. It don't cost.